Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Are you looking for a fast and reliable scalping strategy? Well, the Awesome Oscillator Scalping Strategy is one of the best strategies for catching quick market moves with precision. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to use the Awesome Oscillator to scalp Forex, stocks, and crypto markets, okay? Although I'm just going to be using the MetaTrader 4 MetaTrader 4 platform to explain the strategy, okay? You'll learn how to spot high probability setups, time your entries, and manage risk effectively. So if you are ready to level up your scalping game, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading strategies. Right, so I'm going to be adding the Awesome Oscillator to the chart right now. All right, here we go. Now, before we dive into the strategy, let's just quickly go over what the Awesome Oscillator actually is and why it is such a powerful tool for scalping. The Awesome Oscillator is a momentum indicator that helps traders measure market strength and direction. Now, it works by comparing the current momentum to a broader trend, making it easier to spot shifts in buying and selling pressure. The indicator appears as a histogram with bars that turn green or red based on price movement. Okay, the green bars indicate bullish momentum, meaning that buyers are in control, while the red bars indicate bearish momentum, meaning that sellers are taking over. More importantly, when the histogram crosses above or below the zero line, you can see the zero line here. All right, when the histogram crosses above or below the zero line, it signals a potential trend shift. So that's what makes this indicator perfect for scalping fast market moves. Now, how do you use the Awesome Oscillator to scalp? The first step is to identify the trend. Okay, the first thing you need to do is determine the overall market direction. This strategy works best when trading in line with the trend. So check higher time frames, like the maybe 1 hour chart should be okay because you're talking about scalping, so there is no need to start going to the daily. You can even check the 15-minute charts, right? You can start with the 15-minute or the 1 hour chart. Okay, if the price is making higher highs, let's just go to current price activity. Okay, so in a situation whereby price making higher highs and higher lows, you're going to be looking for buy setups. Okay, but in a scenario like this where price is forming lower highs and lower lows, what you should be looking for is sell setups. All right, then the second step is to wait for the AO. The AO is the Awesome Oscillator, so it's to the next step is to wait for the AO crossover. All right, you keep an eye on the Awesome Oscillator. The key signal is when the histogram crosses above or below the zero line. So a bullish crossover happens when the AO moves from negative to positive. This signals a potential buy. You can see that this is negative territory, this is positive territory. So when the AO moves from the negative territory into the positive territory, it shows a shift in trend from bearish to bullish. And you can see exactly what happened here. You can see that right after the AO swapped into the positive territory, we had an upward move, right? So now, after you have identified the trend, watch out for the shift, okay, in the direction of the trend. So in this scenario, we would have been looking for a shift to the downside, and this was a good place to sell after the Awesome Oscillator moved to the negative territory, since this is a sell trend. Okay, a bearish crossover happens when the AO moves from positive to negative, signaling a potential sell. Then the third step is to confirm with the bar colors. Before jumping into a trade, we need confirmation. It is necessary. After the crossover, wait for a green bar above the zero line for a buy setup, or a red bar below the zero line for a sell setup. Okay, this ensures that momentum is aligned with the trade direction. Then the fourth step is to enter the trade. Once you have a crossover and confirmation, it is time to enter the trade. Okay, for a buy trade, you can enter as soon as the histogram turns green after crossing above the zero line. For a sell trade, you can enter as soon as the histogram turns red after crossing below the zero line. Okay, now the fifth step now is just basically managing your risk and exiting wisely, because risk management is crucial for scalping. Since we are trading short-term price movements, keeping a tight stop loss is key. So you just want to place your stop loss below the recent swing low for a buy trade, or for a sell trade you place your stop loss above the recent swing high. For take profit, a good approach is to aim for a 1:1 or 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Alright, you can also exit when the AO histogram starts to weaken or change color. For example, you are in a sell trade and you can see that we are having declining. The length of the histogram bars was getting longer, going down. You can see the length was getting longer to the downside. Then suddenly we had a green bar form that seemed the same length with this. There was a green bar form here, right? But for the fact that the AO was still recording lower lows, you can just neglect it, right? But now we didn't just have a green bar form, but we have green bar form, and then higher lows have now begun to form. So after two bars that forms higher lows, you can just exit your sell, okay, to be on the safer side, because it could be that a reversal is coming up or a significant pullback. Okay, so you can exit your trade in that scenario. Now, the Awesome Oscillator is one of the best indicators for scalping, and here is why. It is simple and effective. Okay, there is no need for multiple indicators clustering your chart. You just have to focus on momentum shifts. All right, and this indicator works across all markets. Whether you trade Forex, stocks, or crypto, the AO helps spot short-term momentum shifts. All right, and then this indicator also gives real-time signals. Okay, unlike lagging indicators, the AO provides quick and clear momentum shifts, making it ideal for scalping. And that is how you master the Awesome Oscillator Scalping Strategy. This strategy is perfect for traders looking to catch quick moves in the market using a simple yet effective approach. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more high quality trading strategies. Drop a comment below and let me know, do you use the Awesome Oscillator in your trading? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.